Hello friends, Joe Reilly here with a couple songs about recycling and composting and some other simple things we can do each day to help take care of our earth. And remember, when we're taking care of our earth, we're taking care of ourselves and each other too. So the first thing we're going to do is recycle like this. Recycle. And then we're going to plant seeds. Plant seeds. Then remind each other, use only what you need. Use only what you need. Help others to see how bright nature can be. How bright nature can be, so bright. All right, try it one more time with me. Ready? Recycle, plant seeds. Use only what you need. Help others to see how bright nature can be. How bright nature can be, so bright. All right, you got it? Let's try it with the guitar now. Are you ready? Sing it with me and do the hand motions. Here we go. Recycle. Plant seeds, use only what you need. Help others to see how bright nature can be. How bright nature can be, so bright nature can be. Some people are cutting down trees, building roads and littering. These are things that we could do, but I have a question for you. Instead of hurting the earth through and through, how could we help our planet so blue? We'll recycle, plant seeds, use only what you need. Help others to see how bright nature can be. How bright nature can be, so bright nature can be. We live on Turtle Island. We live on a turtle's back. We're all part of the web of life. Now what you think about that? Rainforest, polar regions, prairies and woods. So many ecosystems, they're all good. Rivers, forests, oceans and lakes. We all have what it takes to recycle, plant seeds, use only what you need. Help others to see how bright nature can be. How bright nature can be, so bright nature can be. All right, great job, everybody. Now I want you to close your eyes for a moment and use your imagination. Imagine you are any kind of animal you would like to be, whatever your favorite animal is or an animal you like a lot. Imagine being that animal from anywhere in the whole entire world. Now think about where that animal lives, what kind of habitat or home it has. Think about what kind of food that animal eats and how that animal moves. Can you move like that animal? Go ahead, give it a try. Now, try to imagine if that animal could speak like you and I, what message it might have for us human beings. And in just a moment, be ready to make your animal noise with me. Every species has their own style. It's all life and it's all wild. Humans better listen if they want to survive to the voices of nature on the wild side. Animal noises. Ow! Ow, ow, ow! They're singing, recycle. recycle, plant seeds, use only what you need, help others to see how bright nature can be, how bright nature can be, so bright, nature can be so bright, so bright, so bright, nature can be so bright. Great job, everybody. Wow, nature can be bright, and it's brighter because you are a part of nature. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for interacting. Let's do one more song. This one is about composting. And composting is something we can do at home, even if we have to stay at home. We just keep our food scraps and yard waste in a pile or in a container with some holes in it so air can get in. And then the little decomposers, bugs, insects, fungi, help the food scraps and yard waste to break down, decompose, and turn into dirt. It's really, really cool. It's how nature recycles itself. Pretty amazing. So in this song, I want you to dance around, but every time you hear the word decompose, you very safely and gently fall down on the ground. Pretend like you're decomposing, like you are becoming dirt. Go ahead, give it a try. Make sure you don't decompose on anybody else. Take a nice, relaxing, decomposing breath. And then when the music starts back up, you get back up and you keep on dancing. Okay, we're also going to need some imaginary instruments. So go ahead and get your imaginary trumpet, electric guitar, and drums ready for this one as well. All right, you ready? Decomposing Dancers, here we go. All right, go ahead and start moving your body around. Shake it out now. Get all those wiggles and sillies out. Oh yeah. Jump up and down. Have fun. Here we go. The tree grows, the river flows, living things die and decompose. All the way down on the ground, take a nice decomposing, relaxing breath. Very good. Organic compounds slowly break down to make nutrients available to creatures in the ground. Don't be confused, nature gets reused. The earth recycles, nothing is excused. The wind blows, I wiggle my toes. Living things die and decompose. This time when you get back up, let's play those imaginary trumpets. Dance like your favorite animal would dance. Worms and fungus squirm among us. They're decomposers. They're not humongous. They're microscopic and they're macroscopic. They're the ones who know how to teach this topic. Decomposition is their mission. They do their work like tiny magicians. Nature shows that you can't have a rose unless you compost your waste and let it decompose. This time when you get back up, let's play those imaginary electric guitars. All right, play some drums. Crash. The tree grows, the river flows, living things die and decompose. All right, great job, decomposing dancers. Let's keep on recycling, keep on composting, keep on taking care of the earth and one another. Thanks for singing along.